Got the Golden Girls on. I just finished mowing the lawn and I did some additional packing upstairs. Just rechecked every room. It always feels like you're done packing, but are you truly done? You know what I'm saying? So I made sure everything upstairs are in boxes, but still not quite finished. I have to do my daughter's vanity desk and her bathroom. Yeah, and I guess I could do that now, but for some reason I'm just like, I just want to move on from the upstairs. Now I think I want to tackle the guest bathroom and the butler's pantry. The next two areas that I just don't think I'll be using, but I keep wanting to pack. I feel like I want to pack it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. And that way for me, it just feels like I can pack up these bathrooms, I can clean them, close the door, never use them, but they're clean too. So they're packed, clean, and I never have to revisit them again. And that's what I did upstairs. Hi guys, I just thought I'd whip out the camera. There's a crazy wind that's howling out there. You'll probably hear it. It's about to storm for probably 30 minutes. It looks pretty ugly outside. I have really not been doing too much vlogging just because I've been so busy with packing and everything, and dates with the house moving, and yeah, so I finally have some dates, but you know, by the time anyone sees this video, I'm probably already in the new house, and I've just been so busy with that, and haven't really been leaving the house much. It's just been kind of like, I don't really want to shop, you know, because I don't want to add more things to move with. I mean, Dollar Tree's like one thing because it's like my brand for my main channel, but so it's honestly been kind of boring, and this weather is just, I usually love rainy weather, but lately for some reason, and I don't think it's the weather, I just think that I just have so much on my mind that it's just been, and then the weather on top of that hasn't really helped, but I've just been reading some Joanna Lindsay novels. I just finished Stormy Persuasion. I really, really liked this. And I whipped out my Joanna Lindsay inventory book. This is where I keep a list of all of her books that she ever wrote. And now I'm starting to go in and like rate the characters, because sometimes I just like want to grab for favorites, but I read so many that it's like hard to kind of like keep track and remember. I just don't have like memory like that. Whenever I watch Tati, for example, on YouTube, she's a beauty guru, and I watch her just talk about makeup products that she tried once from like 6 months ago, and she remembers the consistency and like how she felt about it. I'm just like, I can't remember yesterday. So if anyone just knows any sort of vitamin or anything that can help improve memory function, please let me know. I've struggled with it my entire life. So anyway, I've just been sitting here reading. I'm watching some YouTube and watching it rain. I've packed quite a lot, and I was just starting to tackle my closet, but I kind of got over that too. You can see that. The wind sounds like a train. Is that not crazy? I have to put up the banner again, but whenever I use tape to put up banner, it always falls. But there's like no other option for me but to put up tape sometimes. I could put command strips, that's what I did for Christmas, but I took them down. But even the command strips don't work that well. But yeah, my little hearts came off, which makes me really sad, but there's Loxie's blanket over there. It's the house a mess. I have more books over there that I've read. I really don't have much else to kind of talk about, so this is probably just a short little update vlog. Hoping tomorrow is just gonna be a better day. I think I'm gonna continue to watch YouTube. I wish I could decorate. Like, that's really what I want to do. I want to decorate more for Valentine's Day. I really thought that I even did a whole list. I think I talked about it on a recent vlog about how I came up with all of the DIYs I want to do, but then I didn't foresee how quickly it was all going to pan out. The range that I had in mind was like March, April. I had no idea that it was going to be like that. So by the time you're watching this, yeah, so it will have been like the beginning of February that I'm moving, and I'm filming right now in January. So anyway, yeah, so I can't decorate because, you know, I'm packing, I'm moving. Why put stuff up? And you know, when I did this, I had no idea what the dates were gonna be. I had no idea what was going on. It was still all very new, and so I was just kind of continuing my life as normal. But then it all just happened so fast, and yeah, so now I'm in that place where I'm like, oh man, I can't give them good content, but I'm just ready. I'm ready to settle down. I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to get my channels on a good routine, and yeah. So anyway, that's my update. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you stick around. I feel like my vlogs lately have been maybe a touch on the snooze fest side, but if you're still subscribed and interested in my life, thank you so much. You help out my channel so much, you just don't even know. and I am so thankful for that, and I appreciate you so much. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you in the next one.